Is recording. And what's going on? It's Sam Williamson here on a Wednesday to talk about three-dimensional printing, also known as 3D printing. Most of you already heard of this technology, but this is how it works. You first have a computer animated design drawing, also known as CAD drawing, on the computer that you send to the printer so it knows exactly what you want. Then the printer prints a plastic-like material layer by layer until it is finished, and voila. Now today we are going to talk about 3D printers in the architectural atmosphere and how it has changed the way people present and share ideas. So before 3D printers made its appearance, architecture firms had to make models by hand by someone who specifically was hired to do that job. Model making, which could be very time consuming and expensive, but now 3D printers have made it possible for this step in the design process a lot more faster and efficient, because whereas model making may take a week, 3D printers would take a day or two to complete a model. Not only has it sped the process up, 3D printers have also allowed architects to create unrealistic forms and buildings. Here are some examples of buildings that were first formed by 3D printers. Rome Coolhouse used a 3D printer to mock up the remarkable OMA CCTV headquarters in China. The project was so crazy that the mayor stated that there would be no more weird buildings built in the city. Also, famous architect and role model for many is the Startitect Frank Gehry, who is currently using the technology to design and redesign the IAC building that is going to be placed in New York. To take things to extreme, a company in China has already printed a 3D 5-story apartment with the guts and all so people can live in. As you can see, this has already made a huge impact on the architecture field, and the limits are limitless. Architecture, though, is not the only field that has been greatly impacted by this technology. The medical field has taken advantage of it to make prosthetic legs and/or limbs much faster and efficient, and are now in the process to find a way to print even organs. That's all. Thanks, and have a great summer.